last video tonight, guys, I promise. So again, just on other ideas for how to capture pupils' work and how they can submit their work. Again, it's based on forms that I've already mentioned, that we had on Reese's page, that custom capture form. I'm hoping to be able to find a way so that you guys can create your own forms, but for now I'm just going to show you just another possibility, using these forms. You may have already looked at this and thought, actually I could potentially do this. So I'm just going to create a new form from scratch. Let's call it random questions. No. So over here we've got the different fields that we can use, and on the right hand side is our form. So we've got two columns that can be changed into a single row, single columns on the row. But what's important is we can bring over a form here, a field, and then we can give that field a name. And it doesn't have to be something like this, like single line text. It could, for instance, be a question. How many angles does a triangle have? Yeah, we can make it required. Go back to our fields. We can have a multiple choice. What do you think, Bob? Here, click on this. What would be the best mic to record a mouse? First choice, dynamic. Second choice, laser. Third choice, condenser. Use image choices. Oof, I'm gonna have to experiment with that tomorrow. Add another row, and so on and so on. So yeah, we can create a form. There's additional options within the form, such as what your response would be when it's successfully sent, what your button would be for submitting, where you put your spam filter things, and also who it's emailed to, so we can customize that. Various other integrations we don't need to be concerned with, and there's other things you can do, changing colors, changing the background, but we're not necessarily bothered about that right now. I'm just going to press preview. So there's a preview of our form. Like I say, we can change the colors, and then people can just answer this. Obviously we put a name field in there, and a mobile field, and a date of birth field, as well as perhaps the date as well. And there's other things you can put, like custom titles and so on, and then that can be sent, and it will be sent to the person whose email you stipulated in that email page. And the way that this is put into your post, it's just simply this code here, where you can go to the list of forms, just copy that code, and it can be put anywhere within your post. So you can write some writing, put the form there in the middle, write some more writing underneath. There's lots of different things that you can do with it.